Good afternoon, Professor. This is Himanshu, and this is our group. This is weekly status report number 6, and we are working on National USFS for our current project. So, as you know, our project summary, we will be building a model where we will be able to predict the future occurrences of fire, which will help us in order to mitigate uh, the threat or else the feasibility of avoiding the natural or else human or else environmental losses occurring due to forest fires. So, as you know, I'm Manshu and I'm the research analyst for this project. Keshav will be handling the data analyst part. Raghavendra will be our database specialist, and Divyanshi handles the development part. So, I help in conducting the data validation and sourcing of this data from the right source, and also coordinate with the whole group to take the project further. So Keshav does the cleaning of the data and he finds correlation analysis, which helps to build dashboards. And Raghavendra leads the visualization part, and he also takes help from Keshav and then builds the dashboards, and then he documents the insights that he has found post building it. And finally, Divyanshi helps mostly with the development part and then handling the data set and then cleaning of it. So, as previously discussed in the previous reports, we are currently mostly at the third most stage where we have been building dashboards uh, and visualizing the different charts to analyze the data. So this is our MRP high level task list, and then this is the Gantt chart. Now I will hand over to Divyanshi, who will take it further.
Thank you, Himanshu. Now we are going to take a look at what we completed earlier. In summary of previous state, we did timesheet, minutes of meeting, action item, MRP high level task list, and document. Now for current task, we did line chart task wise budgeted hours. We created a line chart to show how hours changed over time. This chart covers March to June 2025. We saw peaks in mid-May and late May, which means we had many deliverables. In early June, there was a decline which shows that what we are finishing of task. So for bar chart timeline of budgeted hours, we made a bar chart. It shows total hours spent on each key task. Most of our time went into EDA design and dataset cleaning. There was the most important parts of the project. This chart helps us understand where we use more effort and how to plan better next time. And our dashboard is saved in SharePoint. This link is also known like shows on the slide.
Thank you, Divyanshi. From here on, I will be taking on to explain our development for this weekly presentation. So, as we can see, if we head towards the dashboard of our MRP SharePoint project and we scroll down, here we can see the Excel charts to showcase our progress. This is the line chart, and this is a bar chart, as you can see over here. This showcases the budgeted hour according to the task. Moving forward, we will go to the documents folder. You can see there are two files, group status report and individual status report. In group status report, we upload our weekly presentation files, and in our individual report status, we upload our milestones, which we concluded individually. This is MRP high level task list, as you can see. We time and time again updated is the presentation or midterm presentation as well as development of visualization, data set cleaning and ready for visualization and building Tableau dashboard. Moving forward to the minutes of meeting, we also updated minutes of meeting timely, as you can see over here. And finally, minutes of meeting. We also updated it time and time again. We also include the interaction with the professor during our lectures. These are the screenshots of our dashboard. This is the line chart, and this is the bar chart. Now I would like to call upon Keshav.
Thank you, Rajwinder. So, moving to our next part, here are challenges and learning. As of now, we are facing some challenges. We encountered two challenges in establishing a timeline for the MRP project. Firstly, we are unable to forecast the future outcome, which hinders our ability to create an accurate timeline. And secondly, we have limited understanding of the assignment of hours, which further complicates our budgeting process. And we have planned our meeting schedule. Here we can see we have conducting weekly team meetings every Friday 7 p.m. In MS Teams, and uh, also bi-weekly we are conducting bi-weekly also, and we have a ad hoc discussion also, so via WhatsApp. And next please. So we are open to any feedbacks and questions. Thank you, Professor.